Okay, I've got to solve a quadratic inequality. What I'm going to do is to solve it, find out when it equals 0, and then use a graph to help me. This looks like it's going to factorise, so and to get 12, it's got to be 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. It's negative 12, so one's positive and one's negative. We want to have minus x, so it's obviously going to be 4 and 3, and it's the minus 4 and plus 3. So that means that something times something is 0, so either one of them is 0 or the other one is 0. So x equals negative 3 or x equals 4. And now I'm going to draw a graph of it. So x is negative 3, x is 4, that's when it equals 0, and it's an x squared graph, so it's going to be U-shaped, like so. And we want to know when it's greater than 0. It's greater than 0 all the way when x is greater than 4. Well, it's greater than or equal to 0, so it could be 4. Or this way here, so x is less than or equal to negative 3. So those are my two things. Right, it's got three inequalities. I'm going to have to plot them on here. So first one, I'm going to draw the line 2y equals x plus 4. And so that means I need an x, y table. X is 0, that means that 2y will be 4, so y will be 2. So 0, 2. If x is 1, don't like doing 1, let's do x is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, so that means y will be 3. So 2, 3. And then it'll be x is 4, it'll be 8. And y will also be 4. And so that's the first line which goes through like so. And so I drew that in blue. Okay. And it wants to have, it's defined, so it wants to be 2y is greater than that. So it wants to be above the line. I think I probably have to get rid of the bit underneath it. So that's the first bit in blue. So I've done that one in blue. And the next one we're going to do in red. So x plus y. I'm going to do equals 5 to start off with, so x in the y table, and we can have 0 and 5, that's there, or 1 and 4, so 1 and 4, and that means it's going to put all these points in here, so that will be like so. Okay, and we want it to be less than or equal to 5, so we want it beneath this line, and we want above the blue line, so, and this bit is the bit we want underneath the line there, and we want above the line there because it's greater than, and x is greater than or equal to k, and we don't know what k is. And it says the point P has integer coordinates. Point P lies in the region R, and there's 16 possibilities for the point P. So if I do those in green, it could be these are all or 2y is greater than x plus 4. So actually it'd been better if I'd done this a bit differently, because the 2y is greater than x plus 4. That means it's not allowed to be on the line. So this one here, I should really have done a dotted line here, because it's not allowed to be on there, but it is less than or equal to the 5, so it is allowed to be on the red line. So I put a green cross for all the points it could be. It could be on that line, it could be there, it could not be there, 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 there. So it's got to be above the blue line and below the red line. So there, 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 or there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 can't be there. There's 16 points. And now we should be able to do it. X is greater than or equal to k. So that means if I draw the line down there, that means that x will be greater than or equal to negative 2. And that's what I want. So the k is negative 2 is my answer. And that's quite a tricky question. And that's 14 done.